In this lecture, we'll try to create now a website because I think now we are familiar to little bit WordPress settings, also how to work with Elementor. So now we can create a website. So creating a website, we should need, you can say another website. We will look how we create. Okay, so for example, I will go to any website you can choose how to work. We will try to create a website like this. Okay, no need to worry, you can choose any of website. All the working features, or you can say working methodology, is same for the all website. Okay, because it is a like blue part is a top bar. This is our header with some menu options, and this is our hero section, some heading, context, buttons, as a previous we discussed, then some content, and the last one is our footer area. This blue area is called as a bottom footer, and this area is called as the footer. Here are some widgets. Okay, this quick links is a one widget. This logo is also widget. So all websites look like same. So what I will do, I will go to my admin area. So how will I will go to my admin area? Just a simple footer / and wp dash admin. Okay, it's enough, I think. Yeah, so it will redirect me to WordPress admin area. You can also customize this if you don't like this. I mean, this setting something like that, what it's representing here. So you can also customize as your need. Okay, so for now I'm just going to log in. I will put my password here. Yeah, and I will click also remember me, so I don't need to log in again. I'll click on login, and it will redirect to my dashboard. Yeah, I am here. So I am at the our admin area. For this, we will start from like this area. Okay, hero section. So let me create a new page. These are some basic page. One is sample, home, which we have earlier created, and privacy policy that was pre-made. Now I will create another page, or you can say also I will go with the home page also. If I go to my website, so what we created something like this. So I don't think I need this. What I can do, I will just go to edit, and I will delete all the things because we are going to create something like this. We are not copying this website. You can say just trying to give a structure. Okay, we'll try to understand the structure of a website. So yeah, edit with Elementor. You can also create any website. Let me show you some other example. If you think that why I'm creating only this, you can create any website. So if you are which field, I mean, before creating website, it's important to understand that in what purpose you are going to create your website. I mean, in which domain will be your website working? Maybe technology field, educational field, or something e-commerce type. Okay, in a social profile, whatever. Maybe one of you will be a photographer, creating a website for a photography agency, video agency, something like that. So you can also go for a studio website if you want, like a studio website. Okay, let me open any of, I'm choosing randomly, and choose any one of them, whatever you like. We can also create this website from that. Okay, the structure is same for here is a logo, it is our header, here is no top bar. Okay, like this website, here is a top bar, here is no top bar, here is a header, some menu options, then our hero section. In the right side a sidebar, left side is also a sidebar. Okay, then video, it's a video, then some crossel, these are called as a crossel, and text heading. Okay, then another section with some 3 columns. One is like upper column also, and simply it's, you have to just, if you're going to create a website, it's a video. Okay, don't think that it's a 3D like that something. It's just a video. I have put in a video here, and 3 columns again. So structure of all websites, all website structure are same. But just you have to understand that how we are going to create and what we are going to create. Okay, so if I go to another website, like here are some examples how can we create. Look at here, all the same things. And the third one is also, yeah, this is our effect, on our what should do now. So we can create any of them, image, pop-ups. Okay, tabular, then again 3 column, just, so cool. We can create any of them. Okay, I just choose this because I have used all of things, you can say all of the option here. So let me close all of these. Okay, so first we look at what we will going to create and how our website will similar to look like, something like that. Okay, so here will be a top bar with some text which is clickable. You can say link to mail, link to contact number, and another is top bar with some social menu options. Then our header with the logo, then some menu options. Okay, here is a link of a video, videos, click YouTube link, then some description, some another links of video. Then yeah, good. If I go to the next page on click courses, so what is there? Yeah, here are some courses, one button, something like partner certification. In bottom some menu links, these are links, address, email. So I think it's better option. Okay, the registration page, what is that? Let me check. What is the register page? Here also a foundation contact page. Yeah, contact page is important. In contact page you put a contact form. I open this in a new link tab. Okay, the contact page is what you can say a contact form is available there. In registration form there is a register form linked, that is a Google form that is linked here. Okay, and some courses. Yeah, so all the things are very easy. Okay, first of all I'm telling one thing before starting, that all the things are very easy. And the news page, that is a blog page, you can say, it is a blog page, something like that. And last one is the about page. What is about something like that. So contact page is a form. So now let's start. To the home page, I think I don't need, there is a video sound, so I should pause this. Okay, go back here. I don't need, you should remove all the things, you can say. If I go here, go to the home page, come back. So yeah, one section with 3 columns, one main heading. So I will choose a section. Cool. Then what is that? There is a one heading, subheading, 2 buttons. But you can see these are left aligned. So it will be better if put 2 sections and right section should be empty. I mean 2 column, you can say that. If I choose another section with 2 column and all the things are put here, so I will choose a heading, then also a subheading, that will be also a heading. Okay, then what, let me drag it here, then 2 buttons. If I go to there and choose button, so before that I think, yeah, So what I will do, yeah, I will choose first inner section. Why? Because there are two buttons. So let me choose two buttons. Where is the button? This is a button. Suppose that if you're not able to find something, just you can also search here like this. Okay. So another button. These are two buttons. We are just trying to build our structure here. Okay. After that, three columns. Okay. Let me do that. In this, there are inner section, something like this. Okay. Let me copy one, duplicate. Okay. There are three columns. After that, one, you can say an icon. You can also use an image here, an image, then heading, then text, or there is also a divider. So let me do that. First one is an icon like this. After the icon, what is the heading? So heading. After that, a divider. So let me choose a divider like this. Divider. After that, what? A text. So let me choose. Where is the text? This is our text editor. We are just creating our structure. If you look at here, so structure is same there. I'm not using any style here. I mean, I'm not customizing anything front end like now. What is the, if you look at the structure, the structure is same. Look at here, one heading. Yeah, there is a one heading. This one, another subheading. You can say subheading text area. This is a subheading text area. Then two buttons. Yeah, two buttons. After that, three columns. Yeah, there are 1, 2, 3 columns. In the column, icon, heading, divider, and text. Icon, heading, divider, and text. So this thing I want to tell you that if you are going to create a website, so you have to, first thing is that you have to know that in which field you are going to create. I mean, what is purpose of creating the website. Another thing is that you should understand what will be the structure of your website. You know, schema, you can say. What will be the schema of your website? So now what's, just let me do that. Copy this text. I will copy. You have to write whatever you are going to do. So content, Control A, Control V, backspace, education for the future, and another text, something like spreading wide knowledge. So I will just copy, Control A, Control V. Okay, one thing more. Here is a, background. What are you looking? Here is a background, that is a, you can say, a image. So what I will do, I will put a background. So let me do that. Yeah. Here's our layout. So I will go to our layout and then style. Background, there is a normal. So I will choose a classic. Then I have to choose an image. Find out this image. What I will do, I will just, I'm not putting an image. I will just put a blue color here. Okay. The color should be something. Yeah, it will be similar to, okay? Color should be something like that. But you have to put your image here. Okay. You're just copying all the things. I'm not copying all the things. I'm just giving a structure. So now the button is apply. Now I will click here and I will change the text like apply now. After that, another button, that is courses. I will click courses. Okay. Now color of this text is green and something. So I will use here style. The text color, it will be green. Okay. And I think font size also will be bigger. Typography, styles, education for the future. Weight, here is something bold type. So what I will do, I will increase the weight, maybe 900. cool. Okay, font is different there, so I'm not sure what the font is there. We can use Poppins. No, it's not better. Okay, now I think it's look like the same structure that we want to create. So in this lecture we understand that how to create a hero section structure, and if you want to create an hero section, how we will understand the structure of website. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.